this. And useful documents is report, primary output of current system, enables you to work backwards and to report to the data needed to generate it. And useful document, description of current information system, and comparison and of observation and document analysis. This table we can see that. And what's the joint application design? Firstly, contemporary methods for determining system requirements, and joint application design is here and brings together key users, managers, and systems analyzed and propose collect system requirements simultaneously from key people and contribute off-site. And what's the group's support systems? Facility sharing of ideas and voicing of opinions about system requirements. And case tools used to analyze existing systems and help discover requirements to meet changing business conditions. And system prototypes, iterative development process, and rudimentary working version of systems is built, and refine understanding of system requirement in concept terms. And we can look for joint application design. Firstly, intensive group oriented requirements, determination technique, and team members meet in solution for an extended period of time, highly focused and resource intensive, and starts by IBM in 18th. And in here we can see the JAD organization about for typical room layout for a JAD, and is here JAD participants and session leader have to facilitate group process, and users, what's the user, who is the users, active and speaking participants, and who is the managers, active and speaking participants, and who is the sponsor, high level champion, and limited participation. And who is the system analyst, should mostly listen and scribe, record session activities, and IS staff should mostly listen. And results, documentation detailing existing system and features of proposed system. And case tools during with JAD, uppercase case tools are used and enables analysts to enter system models directly into case during the JAD session. Screen design and prototyping can be done during JAD and shown to users. And using prototyping during requirements determination, quickly converts requirements to working version of system. Once the user sees the requirements converted to system, we will ask for modification or will generate additional requests. And we can continue for using prototyping during requirements determination here. Most useful when user requirements are not clear, few users are involved in the system, designs are complex and require concert form, history of communication problems between analysts and users, tools are really available to build prototype, and drawbacks, tendency to avoid formal documentation, difficult to adapt to more general user audience. Sharing data with other systems is often not considered, and systems development lifecycle checks are often bypassed. And here, radical methods for determining system requirements, business process re-engineering. BRP is search for and implementation of radical change in business processes to achieve breakthrough improvements in products and services. And we can see this here. Firstly, we can look about what's the firstly and goals. Reorganize complete flow of data in major sections of an organization and eliminate unnecessary steps and combine steps. The last became more responsible to future change, and identifying processes to re-engineer, and identification of processes to re-engineering key business processes. And first is structured measured set of activities designed to pursue specific output for a particular customer or market, and focused on customers and outcome. And same techniques are used as were used for requirements determination. And distributive technologies. Information technologies must be applied to radically improve business processes, and distributive technologies are technologies that enable the breaking of long-held business rules that inhibit organizations from making radical business changes. And in this table we can see the long-held organization rules that are being eliminated through distributed technologies. And requirements determination using agile methodologies and conditional user involvement replace traditional SDLC waterfall with interview, analyze, design, code, test cycles, and agile usage centered design focus on user goals, roles, and tasks. The planning game based on extreme programming, exploration, streaming, and commitment. And in this picture, the interview analyzes design code and test cycles, and in this conditional user involvement. And agile uses centered design steps. Gather group of programmers analyze user testers and facilitator, and document complement of current system. Determine important user roles and determine procedures and describe tasks for each user's role, and group similar tasks into interactions context. Associate each interaction context with a user interface for the system, and prototype the information context, the interaction context. Step out and modify the prototype. And in this here, the planning game from extreme programming. Extreme programming explained for game planning game. And is here electronic commerce application determining system requirements, and determining system requirements for final value furniture web store, system log and navigation characteristics, web store and site management system capabilities, and customer and inventory information,